LS117 is a high-precision transmittance meter suitable for testing of various diffuse transmission materials. It can measure both transmittance and optical density parameters at the same time. Diffuse transmission materials are common in everyday life, such as aluminized film, frosted glass, and ink cover, all of which can be tested for light transmittance using LS117. Diffuse transmission phenomenon refers to that the parallel light passes vertically through translucent materials or medium that with uneven surfaces and uneven interiors, such as frosted glass or opalescent glass. The light will be refracted through the material in an undirected manner, and the parallel light will be diffused in all directions. LS117 adopts diffuse transmission optical path design. The measurement data of diffuse transmission material is accurate. The resolution of the transmittance of LS117 can reach 0.0005%. Optical density values can be measured up to 6 OD. The accuracy of the transmission rate can reach plus or minus 1%, which can ensure that it can pass the inspection of the Chinese Authoritative Metrology Institute. It can measure small-size materials. For the irregular or large material, you can directly remove the sleeve from the fixed base and test. Press and hold the power button to enter the setting mode in the shutdown state. Short press the front or back button to choose whether to turn on the automatic shutdown mode. Short press the return button to confirm. In test mode interface, generally we choose fast option. Fast response to measurement. LS117 has a real-time dynamic calibration function. Short press the hold button can lock the data, easy for reading. LS117 is simple and convenient to operate. A good choice for measuring the transmittance of diffuse transmission materials.